Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on My Account at the top right once again and click on Settings. From the settings page, you will find various different options to edit within your account. Now underneath personal information, you will see your email address, which you can click on and simply enter your desired new email address. After entering this, click on the Save and Verify button and you will see that an email will be sent to this new email address. So just log in to this new email and you will see a mail from Riot Games. Open up this email and click on the Verify Email button. Once you click on this button, you will be told that your email has successfully been verified. You can click on Manage Account and now you will see underneath personal information that your email address has been switched to this new one right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.